Are EV pickup trucks worth buying? Automakers will have you believe the latest generation of EV pickup trucks are the way of the future, poised as adventure companions, luxury explorers, or electric pioneers paving the way for a greener future. Do these trucks stack up? Is the rumble of the engine fading and being replaced by the sound of an electric motor? Today, we explore the latest crop of EV pickup trucks you can buy this year, as well as those trucks coming soon that you may want to wait for. You're watching Anode, your source for electric vehicle news. Automakers are investing heavily in EV trucks. They are becoming practical and even, dare I say, fun to drive due to their torquey electric motors. But which one is worth your money? Let's put these trucks head to head. These are the 4 electric pickup trucks currently on sale in the US, competing to be your next truck. Whether you're a weekend warrior seeking rugged escapades or a seasoned adventurer craving epic expeditions, the R1T has got your back. Starting at $73,000 for the dual-motor all-wheel drive variant, the R1T isn't cheap, but for that price, you're getting an estimated 270 miles of range, producing 533 horsepower. The cheapest R1T can send you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds flat. Not enough speed though? The R1T also comes in a performance dual motor all-wheel drive variant and quad motor all-wheel drive variant. The quad motor all-wheel drive produces 835 horsepower, catapulting you to 0 to 60 in 3 seconds flat. The R1T will allow you to leave the gas station behind and venture deeper into the wilderness. Opt for the optional Max Pack, and the R1T can travel up to 410 miles on a charge. Imagine waking up to a sunrise over a remote lake. The only sound? The gentle hum of the electric engine. The R1T is at home wherever your wanderlust takes you. But adventure isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. R1T's interior is a haven for comfort and functionality. Relax in plush leather seats, enjoy the panoramic view, and access all of your gear with ease thanks to the ingenious gear tunnel. Need to haul bikes, kayaks, or even a camper? The R1T's towing capacity of 11,000 pounds has got your back. Plus, the R1T's versatile cargo bed adapts to your every need, transforming from workhorse to camping oasis in seconds. Not to be outshined, Ford has also thrown their hat in the ring with a Ford F-150 Lightning. For decades, the F-150 has been synonymous with American muscle, king of the pickup truck kingdom. Starting at $49,950 for the Pro variant, the F-150 is certainly cheaper than the Rivian R1T. For that price, you're getting an estimated 230 miles of range, producing 452 horsepower. The base Lightning will send you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. I know what you're thinking, slow, right? Well, the Ford F-150 Lightning also comes in an XLT, Lariat, and Premium editions. The top producing 580 horsepower and setting a 0 to 60 time of 4 seconds. Need more range though? The XLT or Lariat versions may be a better option with their estimated 320 miles of range from Ford's extended range battery pack. Need to haul? Forget wimpy payloads. The Lightning muscles up to 10,000 pounds of towing, and when the pavement ends, the Lightning just keeps on trucking. Its off-road capability will make any mountain trail its playground while you relax in comfort. The Lightning stuns with a modern makeover and convenient tech package, including a 15.5-inch touchscreen and built-in 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot to navigate you to your next job and keep you up and running throughout the day. But looks aren't everything. This truck is full of surprises. Imagine turning your campsite into a power station with a Pro Power onboard generator, enough to run your coffee maker and even some power tools. Need storage? The large frunk offers a hidden trunk under the hood, perfect for gear and groceries. If you're looking for a beast off-road though, which redefines the idea of a truck, look no further than the GMC Hummer EV pickup. But don't let the pavement fool you. The Hummer EV is a born adventurer, starting at $97,175 for the EV2 trim. The Hummer EV pickup is the most expensive of the bunch. For that price, you're getting an estimated 311 miles of range and up to 570 horsepower, capable of launching you from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. By far a respectable time for such a heavy vehicle. Looking for more power though? Step up to the top of the line Edition 1 trim with up to 1,000 horsepower, capable of launching you from 0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds. Looking for as much range as you can get? The mid-level EV3 trim may be your best option with up to 381 miles of range. But the Hummer EV isn't about speed or range, it's about capability. With this innovative crab walk mode, this truck can move diagonally, making even the tightest trails a breeze. And with its best-in-class towing capacity of 11,500 pounds, the Hummer EV pickup is bound to meet any towing needs. The Hummer EV, though, isn't afraid to stand out. Its chiseled lines and imposing presence commands attention wherever it goes. But this isn't just about brute force. The designers have incorporated clever details like the infinity roof and a multi-pro tailgate. The Hummer EV is packed with intelligent technology, including Super Cruise, GMC's semi-autonomous driving system, which takes the stress out of long hauls. If you're looking for a true workhorse, though, look no further than the Chevy Silverado EV. The feature of work, adventure, and family hauling, the Chevy Silverado EV is a beast built for the modern world, where power meets sustainability, capability meets comfort, and innovation redefines the very meaning of American muscle. Starting at $74,800, it comes in just under the Rivian R1T. Offering up to 754 horsepower, the Silverado EV will launch you from 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. It will do this all while getting up to the near best-in-class 400 miles of range. The Silverado EV isn't just some fancy show pony though, it's a workhorse through and through. With its massive towing capacity of 10,000 pounds and expansive bed, this truck is ready to tackle any job you throw at it. And when the workday's done, climb into the spacious, tech-laden cabin and enjoy the premium comfort that only a Chevy can deliver. So, that's the current crop of EV pickup trucks, but there are others around the corner. And I know what you're thinking right now, when is this guy going to talk about this controversial truck? Well, we made a complete video on this one, which we have linked in the description below for you to check out. But do any of these current EVs spark your interest? This is truly the first generation of EV pickup trucks. But Gen 2 is bound to be exciting with the likes of the Toyota Tacoma EV, the GMC Sierra EV, Fisker Alaska EV, and the new electric Ram 1500. Stay tuned to Anode throughout the next year as we learn more details on all of these upcoming Gen 2 trucks. But in the market for a truck today though, let's sum this up to see if any of these trucks are worth your consideration. Looking for the cheapest truck on the market, by far the Lightning at $49,995 is going to be the best bet. However, looking to tow the most, you're going to be looking at the Hummer EV with its 11,500 pounds of towing. However, really best in class and all around though is the Rivian R1T. It's slotting in right at the middle price point and offers up to 410 miles of range and still a near best in class 11,000 pounds of towing. So what do you think? Do any of these trucks pique your interest? Or are you waiting for Gen 2? Want to keep on trucking? Well, we think you'll like this video next. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. Until next time, charge on.